I know we're stuck out here in the middle of nowhere on a thankless assignment. But remember, we're all cogs in a great big Autobot machine.
Not this speech again.
A machine that's stronger as a whole than any one component part. Together, we can move mountains.
Bad choice of words, Big Bot.
Impressive.
Where'd you learn moves like that?
I trained at the Autobot Academy.
So how'd an Academy bot end up on a broken-down maintenance crew?
Yeah. Shouldn't you be leading the Cybertron Elite Guard or something?
I don't think that's such a good idea, Boss Bot.
Prime! No!
What is it?
I don't know. Maybe we should take it back to the ship so the Docbot can check it out.
Leave it. Or better still, throw it back through the space bridge. This thing isn't meant to be found.
What's got you so spooked all of a sudden, Ratchet?
Teletran 1 to Optimus Prime. Teletran 1 to Optimus Prime. Unidentified spacecraft entering this sector. Energy signature consistent with Decepticon warship.
Decepticon? That must be a mistake. The Decepticons were destroyed centuries ago.
Defeated, not destroyed. And we're not waiting around for them to find us. What are you bots waiting for? An invitation? Load it up, pronto!
Wait, Ratchet. Why the sudden urgency? What is this thing?
There's no time. Let's move!